If you want to use AI to generate meme content like this, you need to watch this video. We will show you how to build a multi-agent workflow in MindPal using Nano Banana Pro to generate a meme like this. Memes are a very effective type of content, but they are difficult to create because they require a high level of creativity, as well as knowledge of image and graphic editing. However, by using Nano Banana and an agent that brainstorms meme concepts, this process becomes much easier. Let me show you this workflow. It has just 3 steps. First, you will input a niche, which is the raw idea for the meme you want to generate. Then, an agent will then brainstorm meme ideas for you. After that, an Orchestrator-Worker node will use a meme generator agent to create the meme. We will select Nano Banana Pro as the main language model for this agent so it can produce accurate and high-quality images. Let me run this workflow so you can see it in action. For example, I will provide this raw idea. In the first step, the meme idea generator will use the topic I just provided to generate the meme ideas. It's thinking, so we'll wait a little bit. Here is a list of 10 meme ideas tailored to the query I just inputted. Next, the Orchestrator work step starts planning a list of tasks based on the meme concepts that the previous agent created. Because Nano Banana Pro will take a while to generate the images, we will wait a few minutes until all the tasks are done. Okay, the agent has finished generating the memes. Let's check them. I think these are actually really great memes. If you want to create memes with an AI agent on MindPal, just duplicate the workflow from the link in the description of this video. I hope this is useful for you.